I felt like I was an old cardigan under someone's bed. Pictures of last night ended up online. I'm screwed. I'll be good you, be Naomi for her. Let's lose our minds and go fucking crazy. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Keep on hoping we'll be cake by the ocean.
Time saying this is it, I've had enough. Cause like we hadn't seen each other in a month. When you said you needed space, what? Then you come around again and say, baby, I miss you and I swear I'm gonna change. Trust me, remember how that lasted for a day. I say I hate you, we break up. Talk to my friends, talk to me, talk to me. Or never, ever, ever, ever getting back together.
August slipped away into a moment in time, cause it was never mine. But when I pulled up and said get in the car, and then canceled my plans just in case you called. Like when I was living for the hope of it all, for the hope of it all. Meet me behind the